Can AI actually maintain your WordPress website, not just write new articles? I connected Foenix AI agent to WordPress website and let it analyze all of my published posts. It identified the 5 articles with the highest update potential, explained why they were chosen, completely updated the one I selected, published it directly to WordPress after my approval, and even let me roll back the changes. Let's see how it performed. To begin the test, I deliberately didn't tell Foenix which article to update. Instead, I asked it to analyze all of my published posts and identify the 5 articles that appeared outdated but had the strongest potential to attract more relevant traffic or generate revenue. I also asked it to explain why each article was recommended, what should be updated, and I specifically instructed it not to make any changes to my website. This would allow me to evaluate its recommendations before allowing it to modify any content. After submitting the prompt, Foenix began analyzing my entire website. This wasn't an instant response. It spent a little over 1 hour reviewing my published articles before presenting its recommendations. Once the analysis was complete, it ranked the 5 existing articles that it believed offered the strongest opportunities for updating based on their relevance, search potential, and monetization opportunities. For each recommendation, it explained why the article was selected and highlighted the key areas that could benefit from a content refresh. Its top recommendation was my WordPress Security Guide 2025. Foenix noted that it was an evergreen topic with strong search intent, a high SEO score, and good affiliate and AdSense potential. It also pointed out that the guide still referenced 2025 and suggested refreshing it with current WordPress security information. I thought this was a logical recommendation, so I selected that article for the next stage of the test, a detailed editorial audit. For the next stage, I deliberately didn't ask Foenix to rewrite the article. Instead, I wanted to evaluate how well it could perform a professional editorial review. So I instructed it to read the entire article and prepare a comprehensive content audit, identifying what was still accurate, what had become outdated, what topics were missing, and where the article could be improved for SEO, EAT, readability, and internal linking. I also made one thing very clear. I didn't want any changes yet. I wanted to review the audit before allowing Foenix to rewrite the article. The audit took just under 3 minutes to complete, and the result was far more detailed than I expected. Rather than simply listing suggestions, Foenix organized its findings according to the review criteria I had provided. It first identified the sections that were still accurate, such as the WordPress security fundamentals, the security audit checklist, the WordFence testing methodology, and several other sections that it recommended leaving unchanged. It then highlighted outdated information for 2026, including year references, older cybersecurity statistics, and content that required factual verification or updating. Foenix also recommended new topics that could strengthen the guide, including application passwords, web application firewalls, security headers, Cloudflare security features, and Google Search Console security monitoring. Beyond the technical content, it reviewed plugin recommendations, screenshots, pricing, and version numbers, suggested improvements for SEO, EAT, readability, and internal linking, and identified content that was repetitive, weak, or could be expanded to improve the overall quality of the article. For example, it identified editorial improvements such as duplicated security content, 2 empty block quotes, a security routine that could be expanded with practical guidance, and a hosting section whose tone could be better balanced with the rest of the article. Finally, it grouped every recommendation into high, medium, and low priority, making it much easier to review the proposed improvements before deciding what should be updated. Once I was satisfied with the audit, I moved to the next stage of the test. This time, I asked Foenix to implement the recommendations it had identified. However, before rewriting the article, I gave it one additional instruction. Verify any technical information that may have changed against official documentation wherever appropriate. I wanted to see whether it would simply rewrite the content or actually verify facts such as product pricing, WordPress statistics, plugin features, and other technical information before making changes. I also instructed Foenix not to publish anything. At this stage, I only wanted a complete revised draft for my review. Before generating the revised draft, Foenix began verifying the technical information referenced throughout the article. Rather than relying solely on the existing content, it checked the latest WordPress market share, Malcare pricing, WordFence features and pricing, Security's free version capabilities, recent cybersecurity statistics, WordPress hosting plans and Immunify 360 availability, and WordPress auto-update features. It also searched my own website for existing TECHFIN 2K articles to identify relevant internal linking opportunities before updating the guide. This was one of the parts of the workflow that impressed me the most. Rather than simply rewriting the article, Foenix first attempted to verify technical information that could have changed since the original article was published. Only after completing these verification steps did it generate the revised draft, implementing the recommendations from the audit while updating outdated information, improving readability, strengthening SEO and EEAT, and preserving the overall structure of the guide. After completing the verification process, Foenix summarized the information it had confirmed before revising the article. It found that WordPress now powers approximately 43.5% of websites, confirmed that Malcare pricing had changed from the amount shown in my original screenshot, while WordFence pricing and free features remained unchanged. It also confirmed that Security's free version still couldn't remove malware or identify the affected file path, verified that WordPress continued to include Immunify 360 across its hosting plans, updated the latest cybersecurity statistics, and confirmed that WordPress still supports per plugin and per theme automatic updates. These findings became the basis for the revisions that followed. It also provided a comprehensive revision summary explaining every significant update. It documented what changed, why it changed, what remained unchanged, and included editorial notes where needed. That made reviewing the revised article much faster than comparing two versions manually. Along with the revised draft, Foenix generated a comprehensive revision summary documenting the editorial changes it had made. The most significant updates included refreshing the article for 2026, updating outdated statistics and plugin pricing, adding new WordPress security topics, strengthening SEO and EEAT, and improving internal linking throughout the guide. At the same time, it also documented the sections it had intentionally left unchanged, including the WordFence testing methodology, security and malware testing results, file permission guidance, and several other evergreen sections that remained accurate. Rather than explaining every change here, let's open the revised Markdown draft and see how those updates were actually implemented throughout the article. Opening the revised Markdown file, the first changes were immediately visible. The article title had been updated from 2025 to 2026, ensuring it reflected the current year instead of appearing outdated in search results. Just below the introduction, Foenix had also added a clickable table of contents, making it much easier for readers to navigate this long guide and quickly jump to the sections they were interested in. Foenix added a concise key takeaways section that gave readers a quick summary of the guide before they continued reading. I also noticed that it had inserted an internal link to the TECHFIN 2K homepage, showing that it was able to incorporate content from my existing website into the revised draft. Foenix also refreshed the WordPress security checklist for 2026. Instead of simply updating the year, it expanded the checklist with several practical recommendations identified during the audit. New items such as per plugin automatic updates, disabling the built-in theme and plugin editor, and reviewing application passwords were added, making the checklist more comprehensive and aligned with current WordPress security practices. As I continued reviewing the draft, I found that Foenix had preserved the overall structure of the original guide while updating it with the improvements identified during the audit. One section that immediately stood out was the updated comparison table between WordFence, Malcare, and Security. It remained easy to compare the strengths and limitations of each security plugin while incorporating the latest verified information. Foenix also refreshed their essential WordPress security tips section for 2026. Rather than simply updating the year, it expanded the guidance with current WordPress security recommendations, including smarter auto-update strategies and several practical security measures identified during the editorial review. Foenix also expanded the SSL section with updated guidance on free and paid certificates. The WordPress hosting section was revised to make it feel more balanced and less promotional. Finally, it updated the FAQ section and synchronized the FAQ schema with the revised content, keeping both consistent for search engines. After reviewing the draft, I decided to test one more capability. Rather than asking Foenix to simply expand the hosting section, I instructed it to use the Markdown draft as the base version, compare the hosting providers I had already reviewed on my website, verify their latest security features using official documentation, reuse my existing affiliate links where appropriate, and keep the comparison objective and focused on WordPress security. Unlike the previous steps, I also asked Foenix to publish the updated article once the changes were complete. Before expanding the hosting level security section, Foenix first read the Markdown draft as its working document. It then searched my website to identify the hosting providers I had already reviewed, located the existing affiliate links from those articles, and verified the latest security features of each provider using their official documentation. Only after gathering all of that information did Foenix prepare the final version of the article with the expanded hosting comparison. This was the point where Foenix impressed me the most during the entire test. Instead of covering only WordPress and Immunify 360, it expanded the section into a side-by-side comparison of 5 hosting providers that I had already reviewed on TECHFIN 2K. For each provider, it summarized the key WordPress security feature and indicated whether automatic malware quarantine was available, making the comparison much easier to understand at a glance. Before publishing the article, I downloaded the final Markdown draft so I could examine the completed revisions in detail. Because I had already reviewed the earlier improvements in the previous draft, I skipped directly to the hosting level security section to examine the new changes Foenix had added. For each hosting provider, Foenix included a concise summary of its WordPress security features, together with links to my detailed hosting review and the relevant affiliate page where applicable. It then brought everything together in a side-by-side comparison table, making it much easier to compare the security features of all 5 hosting providers in one place. After reviewing the final draft, I approved the changes and clicked the Publish to Site button. Foenix then applied the approved updates directly to my WordPress article. The publishing process took around 9 minutes to complete. Once the update was finished, Foenix also provided an Undo Changes option, allowing the published revisions to be rolled back if needed. To conclude this review, here's a quick look at the key improvements Foenix made to the article. It updated the content for 2026, added a clickable table of contents and a key takeaways section, refreshed the WordPress security checklist with current recommendations, expanded the hosting level security section into a detailed comparison of multiple hosting providers, and revised the FAQ section to reflect the updated content. Rather than rewriting the article from scratch, Foenix preserved the sections that were still accurate while modernizing and expanding the areas that needed improvement. Overall, the result was a more comprehensive, better organized, and up-to-date WordPress security guide. After testing Foenix from start to finish, I was impressed with its overall workflow. Instead of simply rewriting my article, it identified what needed updating, performed a detailed audit, verified technical information, prepared a revised draft for review, and published the approved changes directly to my WordPress website. I still recommend reviewing AI-generated content before publishing, but based on this hands-on test, Foenix significantly reduced the time and effort required to update long-form WordPress articles. If you'd like to try Foenix yourself, you can start with 500 free credits. And if you decide to upgrade, don't forget to use my coupon code TECHFIN to receive 30% off your first month. If you found this review helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and thanks for watching.